I got these 6 Nortel Networks office phones for free, and since I cannot use them or I cannot sell them, because I tried to sell these office phones different types before, but no one interested, even for $3, even for $1 no one was interested to buy them. So in this video I will take them apart to see if this LCD is module that I can harvest. It moves up and down, so it is module, but I just want to see if we can use it with an Arduino. One of them has extra buttons here. This is another LCD here, which probably has just a pointer or something for these buttons. Model number, this one is NT8B27J888E6. I think that's the model number. And the other ones, this is the model number. Here the info. I'm gonna have a read. So let's take them apart and see what's inside. Before I do that, I just want to show you what happens when you connect it to a normal landline. Nothing turns on except this LED, this one, which is the same one flashing here. It's not flashing, it's just as the camera maybe shows as flashing, and this one here also on, and the microphone is flashing, and nothing, and you cannot hear anything on the speakers, buttons, LCD, nothing works, and there is no power input. I don't see any. Only we have this is the line in headphone, I mean the handset and headphone headset. And you can take this piece apart. Let me get rid of the handles. Yeah, nothing here, just Phillips screws, and that's it. Nortel Networks. We have warranty seal. So let's take it apart. Let's start with this one. Okay, this is not good. I can see a ribbon cable going to the LCD, so it's not the best, or maybe it's, well, there is a PCB and a blob, so maybe there are contacts that we can solder, and that's the whole board. It's less than my hand. This is the whole phone. We have a speaker with no ratings, rubber membrane for the keys, That's the whole phone. Oh, plus the LCD. So are the connections for the keypad and for the LCD. This is the keypad. And the LCD. Okay, this is the LCD. No model number. Okay, so this is the LCD. These are the connections here, not labeled. This is the red LED that was on when we connected the power. Anyways, I will keep the LCDs, but I don't know if I can use them. And I will keep the microphone and the speaker. I don't need this, and I don't need the rest. Now let's take apart the bigger one, because maybe it's different. Same board, same everything except extra keys. Same LCD. Yeah, everything's the same. I forgot to show you this. This is the LCD, the one that's here. It's connected from this side and this side too. to this carbon thing, carbon traces. Yep, that's it. Same thing with this one. Wider LCD. And that's what I decided to keep: the LCD modules, speakers, and microphones, some screws, and I'm keeping these for now. I can show you what the display is. It just shows handsets. So yeah, just a handset and a play button. And these are dot matrices. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.